Alright, quick follow-up video on Son's 2011. This was the pad I had in there before. It was about 1.5 inches, depending on where you measure it, obviously. Replacing it with just a 1-inch foam. And this should be set up enough now to stick. The main reason I was doing it is cosmetically. These were not sticking down, even though you can see they are remaining adhered to this pad back here, but these were not sticking to the Velcro on that side. And so it was giving this weird, I don't know how to explain it, look, but not like the seat bottom where there was the dividing lines. So hopefully that will resolve that problem without sacrificing comfort. So you can see how it just, when I'm just sitting it on here and not pressing it down, how it looks. It actually looked worse than this when it was on. So I'm hoping now that I'll be able to press those in there and that they will actually adhere. The problem is they are on that seam right there, and it's almost like this is shifted where they're not lining up on the inside. So I'm going to work on wrestling with that, try to get that all lined up. Okay, you see that looks a lot more close to a factory appearance. It's still got a little bit of bubbling there. I left the 1.5 inches down here, and then it's sticking down, so I don't want to mess with it. But this looks much improved. I did remove this. I had this behind, and maybe that was pushing up on it too hard too. So anyway, I'm going to wrestle with it a little bit more, but I've got it pretty close to where it needs to be, where that Velcro will stay attached and keep the shape of the seat.